Hey guys, sorry about the bright light behind me here. If you guys have a WeilMcLain Gold or a unit that's like this and the tappings are pulled out like this so you can't suck the water out of the top of the phase 3s and the WeilMcLain water heaters, I just want to show you what I did here. Let me see if I can flip this phone around. Sorry about that. I guess I'll just turn it. As you can see, half-inch boiler drain, coupling, PEX adapter, and we stuck this PEX pipe down to the bottom of the tank, and voila, drained all of the water out. You can see that right there. And now the tank is empty. All right, hope this helps whoever's watching.